He's beat. He's so tired he doesn't even know if he's sleeping.
Have your head up, bud. You're on camera. This one's for your brother. He wants to see you biking. How did he do?
Blakey. Blakey.
How did he do?
Come on, Blake. No, come on. Blake.
Stop. Good. Righty, I'll take over.
How did he do, hon?
You did great.
Did he?
4 miles worth.
4 miles.